guys, it's the morning again, so out with the whiskey and with the coffee. So you can see from the pictures there that each of the pre-ferments have performed. They've done what we've asked them to do. The Poolish is looking quite effervescent, quite live. The Biga, of course, had 50% less water, but you can see that the Biga is really active here. You can see all the bubbles inside the Biga. And the sourdough, in the same time, also has all the good bubbles and stuff. So the sourdough is still also quite active, to be fair. I have 3 bowls, and I'm going to get to making the dough. Let's start with the Poolish. So first of all, what we need is a bowl, some scales, just 40 grams of water. That was actually 43, but I don't care that much. 170 grams of flour. 3.5 grams of salt. And I need all my Poolish. Bloody Poolish. Get in there, you. Yeah, cool. Jesus. And I'm going to mix it up good. So that's what we're looking for initially. So I'm going to pop the lid on this guy and get to the Biga. Similar kind of sketch really, but it's got a 50% less water. So 125 grams of water, 170 grams of flour, which is the same as the Poolish recipe. The only difference is where you put the water in. You put more water in at the start, Poolish, and you put the same amount of flour. I need all the Biga. .5 grams of salt. Now we mix it up. And last, but certainly not least, certainly not for our hipster friends, is the sourdough. We need 120 grams of water. Smash. 121, that's good enough. We need 252 of flour. We need 7 grams of salt. And we need all of the pre-fermented sourdough. So we have the sourdough, the Biga, and the Poolish.